What's up, everybody? Scotty Arana here, coming to you with a pigeon training video. Hey, got a day off after 37 days, and we are going to train some pigeons. So, what I have here today with me is the natural team. This is what would be considered the minor leagues of the Arana Loft racing team. These are not the widowhood cocks or hens. These are the naturals. This is like the minor leagues. These guys are trying to make the show. These guys won't be as raced as hard as the widowers, but they'll still be soapboxed and sent up to 600 miles just to see if they can earn a spot on the widowhood team. So this is our minor league team, and this is going to be a 20-mile training toss. I am at the state line of Maryland and Pennsylvania, and right behind those trees is Rocky Ridge Collectibles Antique Mall. And I don't know if y'all have been watching this new up-and-comer back in the game collecting, but that's where he makes some of his videos, and that's my honey hole. I've been going to Rocky Ridge Collectibles for years, but it wasn't the baseball cards that got me to go to Rocky Ridge Collectibles. It was, believe it or not, Boyd's Bears. I collected Boyd's Bears, and a lady at Air Hill Church told me, oh, you want to go find some good bears? Rocky Ridge Collectibles. So about, I don't know, 8-10 years ago, I came up here to Rocky Collectibles, got some Boyd's Bears, and ran into some baseball cards, and I've been coming ever since. So I made this little spot my training spot, because look, it's like a runway. Nothing that the pigeons will get caught up on. They can take off real nice and get a nice flying start and take off, and it's going to be beautiful. And while I was catching up the birds this morning, I accidentally had a pigeon butt dial. My pigeon butt dialed BRC this morning at like 5:45 in the morning. I'm sorry, Lord have mercy, BRC. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to butt dial you this early, but hey, that's all good. I think you'll forgive me. So yeah, look, I went to the Hagerstown Walmart, and it was horrible. But look, BRC got me some of that body armor, and I got me flavors that weren't even in my store, which is awesome. And then the way that I release these, I'm not lazy. I have a system. I feel that just like in baseball or any sport, if you have a good system and everything, it doesn't matter the talent. If you get them to, on a system, and they'll perform. That's just how. If you don't have a system and you just group toss, that's laziness. I mean, there are some guys that just don't have the time, and that's acceptable. But if you have the time to train your birds, you want to make leaders. You don't want to make followers. So what I do is I have 4 crates here, but I will not be putting these up a crate at a time, because all that does is make followers, dumb pigeons. I want smart leaders. So I'll be throwing them up 5 or 6 at a time. That way, whenever they take their flight formation, they'll all be able to see where they're going. They all know the way. They won't be following. They'll be leading the way. And that's what we want. We don't want followers, because whenever you get into a combine that's putting up anywhere from 800 to 1200 to 1500 pigeons at one time, birds tend to follow. And here at Arana Loft, we don't want them followers. We want the leaders. So that's how we do ours. We take the time. You got to put in work if you want to get the results. And so this is going to take me probably about 45 minutes to actually release all these birds. But in the scheme of it, they're going to be better because they're not following. They're finding their way home on their own. They know the route. They don't get lost. And between groups, they bring a few Donruss packs. We're gonna rip started egg. And yeah, just for anybody out there, if you're looking for sports cards at the Hagerstown Walmart, avoid it like the plague. They got rid of all their sports cards. There are no longer any sports cards at the Walmart in Hagerstown. So disappointing, but hey, at least we still got 2 packs to rip. So with that being said, let's go ahead, and it's been 5 minutes. Let's let this group out, and I'm gonna try and follow them with the camera for you. I'm only gonna try and let 5 to 6 at a time, and then I'll start separating them once I get a free crate. So, with that said, y'all ready? Y'all ready to do this? I need 5 of you. 5 of you. No cars coming? Let's go. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. There they go. Taking off. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. I had the camera the wrong way. You can see them. They are taking off the right way. They're headed south. They're headed to 81. And that's where they should. Up, they're circling. Now this is the first toss, so. But that's the general area that they need to go. They need to head that way, because that's the way to home, and that's where they're headed. So, while we're waiting for them 5 to get out of the area, because like I said, we're creating leaders. We don't want the followers and everything. The only place we want followers is on YouTube. Need them subscribers, you know. Need that support. But in pigeons, we want leaders. So, look at that. Blackout berry. My store doesn't have this. This is great. Start my day off with some Lord have mercy BRC body armor. And a lot of y'all know BRC. But, you know, since he had that Lord have mercy phrase, you know, he went and changed his name. Now he's Lord have mercy BRC. Take a second. Go give him a sub, man. Good dude. Good dude. Real good dude. So, while we're waiting, let's bust this little $5. I don't know if they call these jumbos or if they call these hangers. I call the $9.99 ones the hanger boxes. So I would think this is just a little 30 card jumbo. I don't know. If anybody else could give me some information on what this actually is, that'd be much appreciated. Much appreciated. Let's start off with the Cy Young, man. Oh, I should have had this. Thanks, Trey. Trevor Story. Oh, just Ace. Kyle Freeland. Eric Hosmer. Francisco Lindor. Alex Bregman. Justin Williams, because you know who we're looking for. You know we're looking for Alonso. You know we're looking for Tatis Jr. Oh, and you know we're looking for Miguel Andujar. Woo, baby, that's a PC hit. Woo, PC hit already this early in the morning. That's great. Woo. Yeah, put that one there, because that one. Oh, look, Jimmy Guns boy. Jimmy Guns boy. Got one for you, Jimmy. Oh, we got a backwards. Maybe it'll be a numbered one. Oh, they're just numbered. Oh, no, it's a pretty red. Brian Anderson. Zach Hess. This does not look like it's going to be a very good Pac-Man. But we did get an Andujar, so, I mean, Manny Machado, Jeremy Jeffers. Dude's good. Whit Merrifield. Shane Bieber. Hey, we got a rated rookie, finally. It's the guy for the Orioles that's struggling, though. Cedric Mullins. Steven Strasburg. Corey Kluber, Blake Terrian, Miguel Sano, Matt Carpenter. This dude's good. There's a rookie, Eric Haas, Kevin Pillar, Tanner Rainey, Shohei Ohtani for Jerry. Hey, there you go, Jerry. Card Crew brother. Trevor Oaks. Willie Adames. Arodys Vizcaíno. And last one, Jackie Bradley Jr. for Big K. So, hey, got an Andujar out of it. Not too bad. I will take it. No big hit, but hey, it's all good. Training and ripping, my day off. Now, this is my first day off in 37 days, but it's going to be like my hardest day, because after I get done training here, I got to go back to the Arana loft, and it's vaccination day. That means I got to pretty much catch up 100 youngsters, which is our team. Put them in a crate, take them all out individually, and shoot them in the neck with vaccination. So, not gonna be a fun day for me, but yeah, we do what we gotta do. Okay, make sure y'all can see this. We're gonna let 5 more go. Oh, 5 more. Go ahead. We'll send 6 that time. That's not bad. And he's gonna have to catch up. He's gonna have to catch up. He's gonna have to catch up. Wow, they took a direct line. They're going straight. See, they'll go out this way because I-81 is out this way. They'll take 81 and they'll follow it all the way home. Now, a group that's really in like good shape, they'll go that way. They'll shoot straight for home. It's straight that way. Instead of going out hitting there kind of like a little loop, they will be gone. They'll go that way. And this is their first toss to get them warmed up. They've been flying like crazy around the house, but you know, so that's gonna take them a minute. They're gonna get spread out. They're gonna get broke up a little bit today. But I guarantee you one thing, whenever I went in and caught them all up last night, whoo, they were handling good. They were handling like they were ready to go. So we are definitely gonna have to try and pull some wins out this year. Although they changed the course on us. We already sit kind of off course because we sit to the west, along with DeCarlo Loft and Robin Deb and Mike Philippe. We all kind of sit to the west, and they went and they changed race stations and put them even further east and put us to even more of a disadvantage. But hey, we like a challenge, and Arana, we got the hardest blood around, so they can try and put us at a disadvantage, but I guarantee you one thing, we're going to compete, and we are not going to be on the bottom of the page because we put in work. And that's what it's all about. You get what you put in. If you don't put in the time, you don't put in the work, enjoy your time at the bottom of the sheet. But if you put in the effort and you put in the time, I guarantee you, your name won't be at the bottom of that sheet. So that's the way life works. Life's all about what you put. You only get out of it what you put in. And you can sit back and watch and not get a lot, or you can just, you know, get out. You know, Eric Jabs, man, you know, he got me motivated. Look, now I'm out. I'm gonna live my life. Thank you, Eric. Appreciate it. You know, car crew picked me up. We're gonna keep on going. We're gonna keep on rolling. So while we're waiting for them, let's open the second one. Let's open the second one and let's see if we can get one of them PC hit rookies we're looking for. Hey, this is no good. I just got this Kyle Freeland in the last pack, man. This is no good. This is not a good sign. I've seen this story before, Eric Hosmer. Dude, come on, Don Russ. Oh my gosh, this is the same pack, Bregman. Oh, well, hey, you know the only good thing about that? We got an Andujar in the last one, so maybe we'll get an Andujar in this one. Justin Williams. Oh! Yeah! I told you! Oh, how about that? 2 Andujars. I don't care. It might be a base. It might be like only worth like 50 cents to $1, but guess what? That's my 50 cents. That's my dollar because that's my boy. Yeah, I'll take him. Oh, look. Got one for Big K right behind him. Now it's starting to change because I didn't get this one last time. So there you go, Big K. Got a Mookie for you. Oh, Big K, look. I got an Andrew Benintendi, Big K. Another one for you. Brandon Crawford for Princess or Joester. I'm not really sure, but I'm pretty sure that Undisputed Frost, he says he likes Crawford. Here's our red one. Okay. Hey, it's a red rookie. We'll take it. I'm not sure who he is, but okay, we got Jacob deGrom. Dominators. That's pretty. I like that. That's pretty. And anybody who knows me, I'm a Yankee fan, but my National League team, I love them Mets. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a New York kind of guy, man. I like them New York teams, man. That's the man right there. Adam Jones, Starling Marte, Francisco Mejia, Ryan Yarbrough. Oh, looky there. He's a good guy. Look at that. We'll take him. Kyle Tucker Raider rookie. Yeah, we'll take that. That's all right. Oh, there's Chris Sale for Big K. Nicholas Castellano. David Wright. He was a good Met. Mitch Haniger. He's a good ball player. Daniel Ponce de Leon. Andrew Heaney. Reese McGuire. Zach Greinke. Brad Keller. Giancarlo Stanton. He's a Yankee, man. I mean, we're all on the DL, but hey, there's one of Matt M's boys. One of them young studs in the stable. Allard. Not bad. And Carlos Randon. So, no, nothing special. Nothing special. It's all good. And, it looks like I only got 4 birds in this one, so. Better go grab one from here. Grab one from here. Who wants to go? This one wants to go. No, not you. I was talking to the white-headed one. Oh, get back in there. Isn't she pretty? Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. And if y'all don't know what Wolverine blood, Sun City blood, yeah, y'all, that's some hot stuff. Really hot stuff. We like the Klein Dirk. We like the Phantom. I like them Shellins. Them Shellins is nice. Bandana Bills. We got them all pretty much. But here, let me back this up so y'all can see this release a little bit better. Alright, this is the last one, and then I'm going to cut it off so I can get this done and everything like that. This has been a training video, though, and I'll wrap it up here in a minute. Look back way because we don't want to park on it. Go, 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 go! There you go. Alright. So now, for convenience, break down the crate. Bring the next one out. This looks like this is going to be a long time. I still got tons and tons. And now, we're going to start racing here soon. So, like I said, I'm going to have that video to where I'm going to need my Card Crew brothers and sisters to pick a number, 1 to 20. Email it to me. Card Crew brothers and sisters. You should be watching this video. And y'all, we got a group email. So email me numbers 1 through 20. And you will get a widowhood cock and hen according to their box situations. Because I only have 20. And there's 20 members of Card Crew. And I am one, so that makes 19. And Joester, since you started Card Mafia, email me a number for Card Mafia. That way y'all can get a pigeon for this. And I'm going to keep points for all the pigeon pairs. And at the end of the old bird season, whichever pair has the most, I'm going to hook one of my Card Crew brothers or sisters up with a prize at the end. You can wait and see what that's going to be then. And then in September, all my Card Crew brothers and sisters, the youngsters start. We will be giving them names. I will be putting up numbers, and we will be naming a pigeon for you. Not only that, Big K, Panda J, Lone Star Littles, who am I thinking? If I'm forgetting any other of the kids out there, because man, I'm kind of on the spot. So, but all the youngsters that are in Card Crew videos will also be getting the pigeon named after them. So we're gonna have fun with it. I'm gonna let you into my world, see what the hobby of pigeon racing is all about. And man, this is gonna be upsetting. I don't think I'm gonna get into Rocky Ridge Collectibles today because it doesn't open till 10, and I don't have that kind of time. But that's all. This has been a pigeon training video. Go out there, support your Card Crew, support your Card Mafia, support everyone who's supporting them, because I'm telling you what, Everyone is putting out good content. Just take the time, you know, show them that you appreciate it. So just go out there, make somebody smile, and who knows, maybe somebody will make you smile. Spidey out.